the game that I created for my final project is called card games. So what it is you can either play War or Blackjack. I made War for this project, and Blackjack is a game that we have previously made. So we're going to go into War here, and then what you can see is up top there's the computer hand, and then down low is the player hand. That's your hand. So if you click on the player hand, it'll draw the cards for you in the computer. And then you can see I won this hand because I have the queen and the computer has the 4. So we'll just click through all these hands or these cards really quickly and see here we're in a war. So since we each got 7s, we're in a war. And then the computer wins this war because he had the ace and I had the king. So let's just continue clicking through the hand. So now that we got to the end, you can see that I'm out of cards. The computer was also out of cards, but since he had 0 cards in his hand, it automatically switches his pile over from the cards that he won. So for us to switch our cards over, as it says on the screen, we're going to click on one card and then move them to our deck. And then as you can see, we can keep playing again like normal. So now we can go back to the main screen just by clicking the blue return rectangle in the top right. And then we can actually from here go and play Blackjack, when this is the one I created during class. So nothing new here. And I lost this hand. But so we'll just go back to the main screen. And as you can see, you can just choose between whichever game you would like to play from here.